The 50-30-20 money rule can turn confusing monthly spending into a simple plan that feels calm and under control. Here you will learn 3 quiet patterns that have held your money back and the small shifts that make progress feel realistic and steady. The 50-30-20 rule exposes where your money quietly runs away every month. Most people treat their income like one big puddle of money. You get paid, it sits in one pile, and then life just happens. Groceries, rent, food delivery, online orders, small treats. At the end of the month, you are left wondering where it all went. The 50-30-20 rule is like drawing 3 clear boxes around that puddle. About 50% for needs like rent, basic food, and transport. About 30% for wants like eating out, entertainment, and upgrades. About 20% for your future self, like savings and debt payments. A simple way to start is to write down your take-home pay and calculate what 50, 30, and 20% look like in real numbers. Then compare those numbers with what you spent last month. Next, pick just one category that is over the limit and make a small change there this week. If you do this, you will finally see where your money is going instead of feeling like it vanished. The 50-30-20 rule breaks the habit of spending on wants before your real needs are safe. A common pattern is that fun spending happens first because it feels good right now. You promise yourself that needs and savings will somehow fit in later. It is like eating dessert first and hoping you still feel like vegetables afterward. With the 50-30-20 rule, you flip the order on purpose. Needs get handled first, then a fair slice for wants, and the rest goes to your future. Here is an easy way to apply it. When you get paid, imagine 3 jars on your screen. Jar 1 is needs. Jar 2 is wants. Jar 3 is future you. Move money for needs and future first, then see what is left for fun. You can even use 2 bank accounts if that feels easier, one for bills and one for daily spending. If you follow this pattern, you will enjoy fun money without that nervous feeling that bills or savings are being ignored. The 50-30-20 rule frees you from the belief that you need a perfect budget before you start. Many people stay stuck because they think they must track every cent or build a perfect spreadsheet before they can be good with money. That feels heavy, so they do nothing. The 50-30-20 rule says you do not need perfect. You just need a simple shape, 3 boxes, 3 rough targets, and gentle adjustments over time. Start messy. Look at your current spending and ask, am I even close to 50 for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for future? You do not have to hit the numbers exactly. Aim to move one step closer each month. Maybe this month you move 1 extra percent into savings. Maybe you lower wants by a small amount. You can also check once a week instead of every day so it feels calm. If you keep using this rule, you will slowly build a money plan that actually fits your real life instead of waiting for a perfect system that never begins. For more simple lessons on how money works, watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.